now that since you're a teacher, what is the basic difference between a normal teaching in a normal school and the teaching that you impart in a child development center?
Oh, huge difference
So the
because
way of teaching is
yes,
different.
yes,
How is it different? You said about social skill controls. So generally the teacher is either punishing, for not following her
yes,
instructions,
yes.
or stand up on the chair,
Yeah.
or go out of the classroom. So obviously this is not going to work with
No,
ADHD children.
no.
So in
It
these
will not work
cases,
with any children actually.
yeah, but that is the normal form, and the normal children don't react that negatively
True,
to it.
true.
But with ADHD children, if you do it, the
Yeah.
chances of getting a negative result are higher.
Higher. My first thing we look at is what is the mood of the child. On our mind is not to complete a syllabus. On our mind is not that this is the plan for today and we have to complete this plan and done with it. No,
It is
we
more child oriented.
yes, we look at the mood of the child. If the child is not in the mood, we know it's the child is not going to do anything today. The first thing we do is the build rapport with the child. We might do some activities which is not related to the studies at all. We try to cheer up the child, and when the child is ready, then we
That's
start.
when you teach.
Yeah.
So it's more of a, you can say that the negative conditioning that most schools are doing today is
Yes.
not there in your center.
No.
You have
No.
more of a positive conditioning.